Which animal habitat is characterized by extreme cold and limited vegetation? C. Tundra. Which species is considered to be critically endangered? C. Amur leopard. What is the fastest land animal? A. Cheetah. Which ocean creature is known for its ability to change color? B. Octopus. Which animal habitat is characterized by abundant trees and rainfall? C. Rainforest. Which species is considered to be critically endangered due to habitat loss? C. Rhino. What is the largest mammal on Earth? B. Blue whale. Which ocean creature has 8 arms? C. Octopus. Which animal has a waterproof fur coat? A. Polar bear. What is the smallest mammal in the world? A. Bat.